Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the battery terminals on the Miata. So I got these brass ones. They're pretty nice. They are going to be a little bit more expensive if you're trying to get these ones. They're like 20 bucks for both of them. The other, you can get some cheaper ones for like $4 each, or you can get both of them, I think, for like 5 bucks. So, it's your choice what you want to get there. This right here to clean off the terminals. I've already kind of cleaned them off. I'll go ahead and get them a once over and get all that cleaned up. And the tools really just vary on what kind of clamps you get to. It's just basic stuff that you have at home. I don't have my wire cutters though, so I'm just gonna have to use this. I think I can make it work. It's really thick wire, so that'll probably work fine. This will be able to cut it because it's pretty sharp. And yeah, let's get into it. So in doing this, you just want to make sure you have enough exposed wire. I just pretty much just shoved it in here, nicked off where it ended at, so it'd be pretty clean. And then they both will just go right up in there like that. And definitely wear gloves, or be careful when you're working with wire like this, because this stuff will cut you up pretty quick, and it doesn't even take a lot to cut you. But yeah, definitely be careful when you're working with open wire like that. Alright, so what you want to do, grab your connector, bam, put it in there just like that. Allen key wrench. Just like that. These ones are pretty nice because they just tighten down. Once they tighten down, won't come loose. Like that. And the first one's done. And then, because what I do is I just put this in there and then mark off like that where I'm gonna cut, and then it'll just keep all the wire right here, cleaned up and everything. So, no open wire will touch this or anything because it's all been sealed up. And then the next one's the same thing. This one's kind of hard to get in there. You're gonna have to kind of wedge this like that and pop it in there just like that. That wasn't too bad. Sorry about my hand. Telling you, these wires, they'll get you. They don't really hurt, but they definitely do bleed a lot. A lot of the time when I'm working with the wire, I didn't even know it nicked me until I just start seeing blood everywhere. That's how these things are. All right, just like that, and boom, it's pretty cleaned up. And just like that, you're done. It's just those two. Now it can go on the positive and you're good to go. If you do have a stereo, they do have extra ports back here for that. But for mine, my stereo cable just runs off of this right here. So I'm just gonna pop it right on there and that's it. So with these ones, you kind of have to work it one at a time because one's going to the chassis and then the other one's going into the wiring harness. So it's two different points that you have to work with. So just doing one at a time. Like that. Screw them on down. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and sand these posts off. These tools make it really easy to do this. And yeah, cleaned up, ready to go. All right, go ahead and throw the brown on there. Go ahead and put the carpet in. Boom, we're good to go.